Hi again, welcome back to the Waters and Acland YouTube channel. I thought this week I'd just take a quick look at a past Designer Maker student project and this amazing project by Harry Skivington. Now this project was really inspired by one of our technical practice days that we do in term 1 of the Designer Maker course. In these technical practice days we look at different techniques and our students have a go at those techniques. They're not going to master them in one day, but the idea is that they're exposed to different techniques and then they could use those techniques or be inspired by those techniques when designing their self-designed projects. And that's exactly what Harry did. In fact, he was so inspired by the relief carving that he did on that technical practice day that he decided to cover the complete frontage of his cabinet with it. And as you can see here, that was the fronts of the doors and also the fronts of the drawers. Now was quite a technical challenge, and we do get asked the question about how that was done quite a lot, so very quickly I'll tell you how that was done. You can see on the drawer fronts there that they're solid wood drawer fronts. That allows some quite deep carving deep enough to form the handle detail. Now on the doors they can't be solid wood because the movement would be an issue, so they're actually a core of plywood with a 3mm sycamore skin, and that relief carving only goes to a maximum depth of 2.5mm, and yet it still gives this amazing effect. Okay, I know that was brief, but thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe and like this video, and I'll create some more and upload them next week. Thanks.